An ideal husband is the one whose love is immeasurable. The depth of his compassion will leave you speechless every passing day. Having a husband who always takes care of his wife's self-respect more than anything else is such a blessing. A true husband values his wife over anyone else because he knows that she is his greatest treasure. An easygoing husband is the one indispensable comfort of life. True caring husbands are the real meaning of love, companionship, understanding, patience, selflessness. Everyone says that wife only hurts. No one has ever said that only wife helps when husband is in trouble. The relationship between husband and wife must be like fish and water, but not like fish and fishermen. A good husband wipes her tears, but a great husband listens to the story of why she is crying. When a wife has a good husband, it is easily seen on her face. A good wife always forgives her husband when she is wrong. God and a good wife are the two best things a man can have. A man with a good wife is the luckiest of God's creatures. Life is not always easy, husband, but you're always easy to love. A husband and wife must function like two wings on the same bird. They must work together or the marriage will never get off the ground. A good wife loves her husband, an awesome wife supports him in achieving the next level in their lives and dreams. Behind every great husband is an encouraging wife. God gave me my husband so we could weather the storms of life together. Besides playing on my nerves, you are the best man on earth for me. The real power of the man is in the smile of the woman sitting next to him. Real man loves his wife and places his family as the most important things in life. Nothing has brought me more peace and content in life than simply being a good husband and father. A good husband makes a good wife at any time. A good husband loves his wife, a great husband makes her feel special. You make me feel whole. The relationship between husband and wife should be one of closest friends. Helping your husband is meant to be beautiful blessings in your marriage. Don't miss this lesson.